Good morning. This is Sai Sriyas and this is Sai Sudeep, studying 8th grade in Sai Baba Central School, Ongole.
And our project is Spun City for flood management.
Spun City means the management of flood water by increased infiltration, detention, storage treatment and drainage. By implementing these, water-related problems are diminished. Insufficient control over urban flooding can cause many social problems, including death and destruction of human beings and also the outbreak of various diseases. To combat this and reduce destruction, we can implement Spun City approach. Permeable pavements that reduce flooding, erosion and pollutant discharge and maintain the base discharge of receiving rivers for cities are called Spun Cities. The planning and design of Spun Cities are derived from the concept slow drainage and slow release.
A spun city usually soaks in rainwater and retains excess stormwater by storing them in underground tanks, filters, and releases them slowly, much like a sponge. Spun city primarily utilizes greenways, biospheres, and parks, etc. Five major constructive methods for Spun City are permeable concrete, exposed aggregate permeable concrete, water adhesive stone, and sensors. The concept is derived from the ancient method of adaptation to from the climatic changes. The vision of this project is to permit the rainwater that falls on our city
and increase the water purity, protect ecosystems and reduce flooding. Thank you.